Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Greg Valador, and welcome back to my channel. In this video is something new. I started making some resin coasters. So far, I've made 2 orders for people that I know, and they fall in love with them. So I'm thinking, maybe this can be something big. Maybe I can start a business from this. And I thought it would be really nice if I recorded myself making some coasters. So for this set, it is for a person that I work with. She did 2 orders with me. One order, she wants 4 in red and 4 in a blue green. So here I am working on the red one for her. These are going to be Christmas gifts to somebody in her family. And I'm so appreciative to the people that have purchased my coaster so far, even though it's been just 2 people. I'm really appreciative of that. But yes, I do enjoy making this. I love doing arts and crafts. I love working on my paintings, and doing these coasters and seeing what you can do with resin has opened my mind to a lot of things. So I do plan on making something big about this. I plan on opening my own Etsy store. So if you guys were ever interested in ordering things from me, you can go from there and order that. But all in due time, hopefully I can get my Etsy store up and running next month and whatnot. But for this order, she wanted, for this one, she wanted 4 red coasters with silver foil legs in the middle. Now, in this batch that I made, I really love the colors. I love the color, the red she picked and whatnot. But what I kind of did mess up a little bit for these coasters. And trust me, this is not something that I have been doing for years. So I am learning as I go, and I enjoy this process that I'm going through right now. I should have took my time and be patient waiting for the resin to self-level. So as you can see, the one in the far corner that's next to me, how like you see this, there's like a circle, like those the rim of it is bubbles that are just closing in. So I should have waited till that closed in some more to get rid of the bubbles and stuff. That one I'm pouring right now and the one that's going to be next to it, I kind of messed those up because I didn't wait for it to enclose like that. I kind of just went ahead and just torched the bubbles, and I used my heat gun to get rid of some more bubbles when I should have waited. But, this is a whole learning experience. I'm not going to be giving her these sets. These I'm just going to keep to myself. Not for like use or anything like that, but just to remind me of mistakes that I did make. But yeah, I'm just going to keep it just probably like for pictures and just, show people like what kind of color options that there are and stuff. Because I don't want to give something to somebody that I know I wouldn't want myself, And plus, I'm a type of person, I like things perfect. So this is a learning lesson on what I need to do. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing these coasters and whatnot. I will be making more videos once I get some more resin, because the one I used in this video is all I had left. But I'm going to be ordering like some gallons. I've been ordering 34 ounces, and that's not quite enough for me. I think once I get the gallons, it will give me more freedom to do more orders for people around my area and whatnot. And then I finished torching the bubbles, and now I'm going with the heat gun. Those 2 in the bottom, I love how they turned out, but you see here, I kind of went a little bit overboard on those 2, on that one and the one next to it. So it really did come out really weird. But I'm going to insert a picture of how they all look and whatnot with the flakes and whatnots and stuff. But I do hope to get better and to do better. And what else? I don't know what else to say. I'm so nervous. You guys are seeing me do my thing. These silver flakes, oh my gosh, they were so hard to work with. I have gold foil flakes, and I did not have no trouble with them at all. But with the silver one, I was having some difficulties with them, and it was very interesting to me. It was very interesting, but you have to be careful when you're using foil flakes, because they're just so sensitive. They're very delicate, and they just stick to anything. So I was really having a lot of trouble with this, and plus I kind of put them in too early. Because as I was doing this, I noticed that it started sinking, and I'm just like, oh boy, here we go. So I do plan to know my lesson from that, and to know that before I put the flakes in, at least to let it sit just for a little bit before anything. Yeah, I'll just let it sit for a little bit, then I'll place the flakes in so it won't sink to the bottom, so I don't have to keep putting flakes and flakes and flakes on the coasters. And then but I mean, I like how they turned out. They're not bad or anything, but it's just a lesson learned. And I just hope you guys enjoyed this video and my process in here. If you guys are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to your girl. If you guys have any recommendations for anything, I do plan on doing some more of these videos. I don't know about vlogs. I do plan on doing like some cooking videos because I did subscription to HelloFresh. So I will be doing a cooking video soon, and hopefully you guys like it. And I'll just catch you guys for the next one. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.